This taco isn't just food. It's a worldwide obsession. Juicy, cheesy, and dipped in rich consommé. Today on Video Corner, we're making the Birria Tacos that everyone is talking about in 2025.
Welcome back to Video Corner. If you love food that makes your mouth water, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Because today, we're diving into the dish that's taking over TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Birria Tacos.
Birria comes from Mexico. Originally made with slow-cooked goat or beef, simmered in spices until it's fall-apart tender. But what makes it famous worldwide is this: the rich consomme you dip the taco into before frying it golden and crispy. Start with beef chuck or short ribs. Season with salt, pepper, and sear until golden. This locks in flavor. Blend dried chilies, garlic, tomatoes, onions, and warm spices like cinnamon and cloves. Pour this over the beef, add stock, and let it slow cook until the meat is melt-in-your-mouth tender. Once cooked, shred the beef. Look how juicy it is. Keep the consommé because that's our flavor bomb. Dip a corn tortilla into the consommé. Place it on a hot pan, add cheese, shredded beef, and fold it up. Fry until golden and crispy. Now the best part, dip the tacos straight into the consommé. That's the magic of Birria Tacos. Juicy inside, crispy outside, and packed with flavor.
And there you have it, Birria Tacos, the dish that's winning hearts across the globe. Which taco would you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If this made you hungry, smash that like button, subscribe to Video Corner for more mouth-watering dishes from around the world, and share this video with your foodie friends. Until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and stay hungry.